Hey everybody, so we got the new project going on here. The 335 is gone, the RSX is gone. We now have an MS3, it's an '08, got it for really cheap. But there's a boost and vacuum leak. And if you look right here, there's a culprit. The diverter valve is missing a bolt. The clamp down below is a little bit loose too. That'll be easy to fix. It wasn't driving like that before. I think it might have just been from driving hard, it just kind of opened up. The gasket's sticking out a little bit. But I thought it was going to be like a spark issue or a fuel issue because I was getting like a horrible miss during acceleration. But we'll be working on this for a little bit, getting this going. Like I said, this will be the new project. Cheap little guy. Probably just getting it back to running well. It is a little rough right now. The body has a couple issues. It's stored on horrible coils and spring combo. I think it's like DNA motor or something. They're like $300 coil sets. Interior's pretty clean. The boots are in there and stuff. But overall, decent car for $3,000. It'll be a nice daily, good project. We'll have to address this kind of diverter valve issue first, so we can kind of hit full boost and kind of see how the car is running. I'll do a little test drive right now so you guys can hear it. At around like 3-4 grand, it starts to miss a little bit. Alrighty, so at the end of this clip, you guys are going to be able to tell around 3,000 to 4,000 starts hesitating. Right there. So, really easy. Just go ahead and take this little Phillips head out. This is going to be to let you access the bottom screw so it can line up the gasket inside. And it's 10 mil. I already broke it a little bit, loosen it off. That's your gasket. Make sure that you line it up on the inside. It's a nice little O-ring type gasket. You can look inside, make sure you line it up on all the grooves before you go ahead and screw in your lower top screw. Make sure it's lined up and you can have a good seal. And sorry, I recorded this one kind of upright instead of sideways. Just go ahead. I got just a temporary screw from Ace Hardware just to see how it run. I'm gonna order one from Mazda, but they were out like 3 or 4 days for the order, so we just got this as a temporary. And I just put a nut on the other side because they don't come with nuts. It's supposed to just be one screw and it locks in pretty tight. But this is just temporary. It's just an M metric 6-10. So let's go ahead and run it up. Our check engine light is gone now. It's kind of funny, it only turned on for about a day. And then the next day, right after I put on the bolt and it started right up, and it was gone. I didn't reset the ECU or anything, or I didn't disconnect the battery. I just went ahead and put the screw on. Maybe it's just getting vacuumed. It cleared it itself. Don't know about that one, but let's go for a short drive. Just let it warm up a bit. Yeah, check engine light is completely gone. Hasn't come back on. I thought I would at least throw a coat again, but I guess since the vacuum is gone, it's good to go. Now we already did the VVT. I did the chain. I did all the tensioners. I just got it back and I realized that diverter valve was gone. I mean, the screw for the diverter valve was out. So maybe the shop did it. I don't know. But I can't really blame them because I didn't really take a look beforehand. I only had it for a week before I had them change out the VVT and the guides and the chain. And really the plan for this car is just to get it operating well. Maybe do a couple, maybe get like a cob tune, do downpipe, intake, stuff like that. But I really just want to do reliability mods and get it going again, see how well I can get it to run. It's at 184,000 miles, so it's quite a bit now, so I don't really want to do too much to it without a rebuild. Turbo's still good. Alright, let's see if we can hit boost without any misfires. have boost. Nice. Okay, so no more misfiring. We hit boost. We're good to go. All right, guys, I lost the last clip. I did another run, but it just didn't come up. But everything seemed to work good. Car's running well. We're gonna go ahead and just figure out what else is wrong with the car. Suspension's probably gonna get addressed first. We have that kind of clunking sound. I'm thinking it's gonna be either a bushing on the bracket for the sway bar, or it's gonna be one of the motor mounts. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at that next, and we'll kind of gonna do a walkthrough when we do that also. So stay tuned and take it easy.